Hello, welcome to our channel, and in this tutorial I will teach you how to cancel Offerup subscriptions. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So without further ado, let's get started. So there are two ways to cancel your Offerup subscription. First is you need to contact their email or support team email. So in order to contact them, just use this email right here and send an email to them that you want to cancel your subscription, and yeah, and wait for them to respond to send you a guideline how to cancel your offer app subscription. Or what you can do is to cancel it by yourself. So what you're going to do is to go to your Play Store, since you can download offer app on Play Store, and if you purchase a subscription, you can just find the subscription right here on your Google Play Store by going on the payments and subscription and on the subscription tab. And yeah, right here you can see all your subscriptions, and that includes the offer app if you have one, and you can just click on them and manage the subscription, and right here you can just cancel it right here. And yeah, that's it. That's the ways to cancel your offer app subscription. And also, that's it for this tutorial. If you want more, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next one. Bye.